Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate the form factor and peak factor for sine waveform. In previous two videos, we calculated RMS value and average value of the sine waveform. So let me write the values here. So what we got, RMS value is equal to so we calculated for current, right? So therefore IRMS is equal to what we got, Im by root 2 or 0.707 times of Im we got. So similarly average value also we calculated. So I average is equal to what we got, 2 Im by pi we got, or so here 2 by pi means 0.636 times of Im. Okay, in previous two videos we calculated these two, RMS value of sine waveform and average value of the sine waveform. Now coming to the form factor is nothing but it is the ratio of RMS value to the average value. What is form factor? Form factor is equal to it is the ratio of RMS value to the average value. Form factor is nothing but it is the ratio of RMS value to the average value. Now substitute RMS and average values here we calculated. So therefore for sine waveform, what is the RMS value? 0.707 times of Im, 0.707 times of Im divided by average value. What is the average value? 0.636 times of Im, 0.636 times of Im. Okay, so now here you can cancel Im and Im. Now calculate 0.707 divided by 0.636. So if you calculate that one, what you will get? 0.707 divided by 0.636. You will get a 1.11. So therefore form factor for sine waveform is 1.11. so this is the form factor for sine waveform is 1.11. Now coming to the peak factor is also called as crest factor. So now coming to the definition, here peak factor is ratio of peak value to the RMS value. What is the peak factor? Peak factor is equal to it is the ratio of peak value. Peak value is nothing but maximum value to the RMS value. Okay, so in the sine waveform, for example, if I write for sine waveform peak factor for the sine waveform, so we consider in previous two videos we consider current waveform, right? So in that our peak value is Im. So therefore I am taking peak value is equal to Im divided by RMS value. What is the RMS value? 0.707 times of Im. Okay, so now here you can cancel Im and Im. What you will get? 1 by 0.707. So calculate that one. 1 divided by 0.707. How much you are getting? 1.414. So therefore peak factor for sine waveform is 1.414. So this is the peak factor for sine waveform. Peak factor for sine waveform is 1.414. Okay, form factor is 1.11 and peak factor is 1.414. Like this you have to calculate the form factor and peak factor. Thank you.